God is testing us. With more than 7 months into the global pandemic, the people have taken the situation for granted, and on the name of leading the life as a new normal, they have forgotten to follow and maintain the basic SMS norms. SMS? Now, what is SMS? SMS consists of three parts. Number one, sanitizers. Amidst a deadly global pandemic, where every one of us wants to stay away from the infections of any sort, sanitizers are the solution. The best way to prevent the spread of infections and decrease the risk of getting sick is by cleaning our hands with sanitizers. These sanitizers are the actual gold referring to the situation we are in, and the most advantageous part of it is the alcohol content in sanitizers, which works immediately and effectively in order to kill the bacteria and most viruses, thus rendering us maybe not 100% but a bit safe from COVID-19. Number 2, masks. A loose-fitting disposable cloth, that is the mask, protects the wearer's nose and mouth from contact with any form of droplets, splashes and sprays that may contain the deadliest coronavirus. On the other hand, if the mask wearer is infected with the virus, it reduces the exposure of the saliva and other respiratory secretions of the infected person, thus reduces the chances of the spread of the virus. However, the use of masks alone is insufficient to provide the adequate level of protection, and hence other equally relevant measures should be adopted. Number 3, social distancing. The objective is to reduce the transmission. The objective is to reduce the epidemic peak, and one most important way for it is the practice of social distancing. The aim is to minimize the contact with other individuals and maintaining a distance of approximately 2 meters from other individual. This will result in the reduction of the most flu virus strains, including the dangerous COVID-19. Social distancing can be referred to as the best vaccine for COVID-19. It is one of the best non-pharmaceutical infection control actions that can stop or slow down the spread of this highly contagious disease. Keeping in mind about the festive season inching closer and also the shifting of seasons, there is all the probability in the world that the COVID-19 infections will touch its extreme peak. But we, as responsible citizens, should sincerely follow the SMS protocols and ask people to follow it too. Sacrificing one festive season is always better than sacrificing yourself and your family. Let's just be important for ourselves. Let's just be important for our family. Let's just be important for our nation. Thank you.